It's that time of year again. Everyone's making New Year's resolutions. I'm not here to tell you how you should set your goals or what you should do. I will tell you what my New Year's resolutions are. The first one is I'm going to learn how to play the drums. The second one is I need to lose a couple of pounds. And it's this time of year when we all start to try and think, how can we be a little bit more fit and healthy? And the third one is I want to grow the channel a little bit more. Get to over 1,000 in the next few weeks, hopefully. Please. If I was to give some advice, it would be careful who you listen to in 2023. There are lots of people out there that you really don't want to trust. Think about people that maybe are going to be a bit more inspirational. Whatever you do in 2023, whether you have resolutions or you don't, just be the best version of yourself.